all these balloons out here, and there's like 20 left. They've all busted. You can see all the broken balloons everywhere. Dang, man. This sucks. It's so windy out here today that all the balloons just popped on their own, so there's like probably 20 left, I guess. We're still gonna do a little racing to show you guys. Just pop. Oh, it's the balloons at the golf. Let's go over there to the start. Oh, I had a gas. I bet. Check it. Let's go rip for the balloons. We're gonna line up over there. On your mark, get set, go! Look at all these guns. Move! I wish they wouldn't all pop. I'm going outside to get this one. Losing my seat, guys. Oh, I got one connected to me. Oh, I don't know if they can even see anything on this. I gotta get my other, I know, we need our goggles. I don't even have my goggles. Oh, I did have glasses on my head, they're gone though. Man. Oh guys, that was a complete fail. Dude, I had so many balloons out here and they're all gone. Cheers, guys. We out here though, ripping. Seat falling out.
Hey, bro, my shit did that, bro. And Rick fucking steering wheel out.
I'm telling you, we gotta get that shit fixed. That's sketchy. Let's go back to the barn and let's go back to the barn. Hey, won't beat me, bro. Can't beat me, bro. I'm the gingerbread man. Can't catch me, bro. Well, the carts are ripping either way. But the balloon was a fail, guys. Huge, huge fail. I spent all that time this morning blowing up all them stupid balloons for them all just to pop as soon as I put them out there. So, that sucks. It's a learning process. We're going to be out for now. I'll probably shoot some more footage in a little bit. Alright guys, have a great one.